How to set medical information on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to Safety and Emergency. In Safety and Emergency, you can see here the medical information. You can tap this, and now you can set the information of your medical. So you can set the name, date of birth, blood type. So this is an example only. Date of birth. So this is an example only. Height, weight, and you can tap the more to show more. So you can set the allergies, pregnancy status, medication address, medical notes, organ donor. So if you want to add this information, you can edit this. So okay, we have successfully set the medical information on Tecno mobile phone.